Today's topics are full of drama and suspense. We've got a shop robbery in Jamaica, a statement from World Dawg's friend Biggs after a recent shooting, and Beenie Man's surprising story about why he hasn't owned a phone in 20 years. We're reacting to the Jamaican shop where a group of men pulled off an armed robbery. Now, from what the video shows, the robbers mostly took cash and rum. In the video, one of the men squeezes his way through the counter opening while a young boy, clearly frightened, cries out as the robber unlocks the door to let in his accomplice. The second robber was armed, and the two worked with a lookout outside, warning the shopkeepers not to get in their way. But things got intense when the robbers threatened harm if more money wasn't found, even saying they were just here for the bread. This went on for 3 long minutes, and while no one was hurt, it left a serious impact.
More money in it? Want to take a double up. What is? Flight? Flight? Yes. Hold on. So you have some more money there. You rather get some money?
No, it's true. We never know take it.
Where my boy gone? There, man. There. Go on this one. Where you gone?
I'm going to go.
I'm going to start squeezing for anything, you know. Some more money, no, man? Want some more money, brother. One day. Yo, tell one that day.
No, over everywhere.
Don't go around there. Watch your man there. Don't go around there saying, yo, oh, watch your man saying there. Come around there, friend. Good. Come around there, friend. But there is some money there. Tell me now you can you make me find money there. Say you tell me say none never there.
No, me never know say again.
Yo, come here now. Tell me so. One day. I tell me lying on you. Tell me so. 2 G's just come fast. Yeah, where your phone is? Make sure you make the call before cutting on you. Yeah. My phone. My phone. Yeah. Yo, watch it. Watch what I'm going to say. I tell you what I let it on the road. I tell you, I don't want that. Where your phone is? Just leave it on the vehicle. Watch him now. Tomorrow I'm going to say. Yo, pull back the gate. Who's telling us for that kid? When then?
Yeah, put it back.
Yeah, better.
Alright.
How do you all feel about the level of risk store owners face in situations like this? Next, we turn to a close friend of World Dawg, Bigz, who has finally spoken out after the shooting incident involving the Jamaican TikToker. Bigz updated everyone on a live chat, saying World Dawg is doing better, but is still hospitalized, needing time to recover. Bigz gave a shout out to the supporters and expressed gratitude to those sending prayers. However, he had strong words for those using the situation for attention online. After a difficult 2 weeks, fans are anxious to see World Dawg back to full health.
Prayers out to the dog. The dog good. I just time dog for the dog to come out of the hospital now. That's it, bro. I go through surgery, come out good, bro. You know, cause God a God. So you know, the doctor just come out of the hospital now and just know say, you know, where we are go find this, you see? Yeah, but you know, that good, bro. Everything good, bro. You know, thanks to people who really mean, bro. Who really listen to mommy I said. You see people who really mean, bro. Condolences, Joe, bro. Pick up on yourself, bro. You see people who do this to get views and hypes, bro. Or suck out to the mama drive you. You hurt me heart, bro. You hurt me heart. The soon, bro. I post the dog, bro. I'll never, bro. You hurt me, bro. Suck out to the mama drive you. You see people who mean it, bro. Pick up on yourself, bro. Big up on yourself, yeah. I appreciate it, bro. I'm sure the family appreciate it, God. Big up on yourself. Salute you. Swear, God. Come up in your youth.
What do you think? Do you feel it's respectful or exploitative when people post about situations like this for likes and views? The iconic Beenie Man shocked fans by explaining why he hasn't had a phone for 2 decades. This all goes back to an incident with Vybz Kartel. According to Beenie, every time he got a call from Kartel, police were quick to call him right back, making it feel risky. He mentioned, "Me buy 2 banger phone when Kartel go to jail. Kartel call me. Police call me back," which eventually led him to swear off phones altogether. Now, if you want to reach Beenie, you either have to go through his manager or find him in person. Talk about old school. But can you believe it? A music legend without a phone in this day and age.
20 years. Yes. Yes. All right. 20 years now, I'm not on a phone. Buy 2 banger phone when Kartel got jail. And then every time Kartel call me, police call me back. So I just nobody have no phone.
Real. Listen, 20 years, my friend. Nah, no phone.
Nah, no phone. So I just nobody have no phone. Because every time, no, seriously, Kartel call me 2 times. He call me about something I have to deal with. And I say, all right, I'm going to deal with it. And then the police call me back.
Who should have advised Kartel, Pat? Where back with him then?
Stop, no, me attack. And then I'm coming back again. Yeah. And then I say, yo, the thing I reach, and I say, it couldn't reach because police them come back. And then the police them call me back. At the same time.
You have a phone now?
No.
Okay.
Don't have a phone.
Right.
And yeah.
That's impossible. What do you all think? Is it worth the peace of mind? Or would you feel too disconnected? It's clear this one is hitting all the right notes as a hustler anthem. Now, Teejay enlisted none other than Masicka for this track, and they brought a fresh mix of ambition, hard work, and real drive.